shocking incident was reported from Potapur under Kujang police limit in Odisha's Jagatsinghpur district on Tuesday. A woman was brutally attacked in broad daylight by miscreants who allegedly assaulted her with a machete, targeting her hands and neck. The victim was travelling to Potapur for some work when the attackers intercepted her. One of them has been identified as Rajesh Behera, while the identities of his two accomplices are yet to be established. After the assault, the woman was found lying on the roadside in severe pain with serious injuries. Locals rushed to help her and managed to apprehend Rajesh, but his two accomplices fled the scene on a motorbike. She was first taken to Kujang Hospital for first aid and later shifted to Cuttack for advanced treatment.
खबर पाइली 12टा बेले एमती झील को हाणी देइछन्ती ट्रेन लाइन पाखे पड़ी मु आसी पहुँचला बेलू कुजंग मेडिकल देखला बेलू ये व्यवस्था एठू हाणी देइछन्ती एठू हाणीछन्ती पछपटू हाणीछन्ती एठू हाणीछन्ती लोक कहउछन 3 जण से एठी बसिकी कथा होतले मोबाइल धरिकी जळजळगिरी चोरी केस आमे देखुछु जे चोरी करी तार मंगलसूत्र नै जाइछन्ती ता चेन नै जाइछन्ती तार गोटाई पट कान फूल नै जाइछन्ती।